Hey guys, my name's Shaaanelle with the 3 A's here on YouTube and 1 A in real life, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making buffalo chicken dip. It is so good. You can use this for parties. It's good for the summertime. If you're going to like a barbecue event, a potluck or something like that. I know we're not really doing too many of those since it's COVID, but you know, you can still eat it at home by yourself like I'm about to do. So I have all the ingredients here that we need. I'm actually only going to make a small pot of it. I have my little pot right here. I'm only going to make a small pot because like I said, it's just me. My husband's currently on a meal plan, so he's not going to be eating this with me. We're going to start with our chicken, obviously. I have some shredded chicken right here that I made for his meal plan, and he ain't eat it. I don't know what happened, but I made all this shredded chicken for him for one of the menus in his meal plan, and he never ate it. Like, I don't remember why I didn't make the meal with the chicken, but I think he cheated or something. I don't know. But anyway, so I have all this extra chicken here, and I need to use it before it goes bad because I don't want to be wasteful. So I'm taking some chicken. This was about 4 chicken breasts. And I've used some of it for salads already and stuff like that, so I only have a little bit left. I'm gonna take some chicken. I'm probably gonna take about 2 cups of chicken. You can easily double this recipe. You can triple it and you can quadruple it to make more if you want. But I only got 2 cups of chicken right here, so this is what we're using. Next, I'm gonna take some cream cheese and I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this in with the chicken, and this will cook while it's inside of the oven. So I have the cream cheese with a third less fat. I did not buy this. I would buy the cream cheese with all the fat, but my friend moved recently and she was getting rid of all the food in her refrigerator, and I guess she was on some type of meal plan herself because this is what she gave us, and this is what I have, and I'm not going to the store in the middle of a pandemic for some cream cheese when I got some cream cheese right here. I'm gonna use 1, 2, 3, probably 3 ounces of the cream cheese. Okay, so I have a third of the cream cheese. I'm just gonna break it. I'm gonna use 1 more ounce of the cream cheese. That is gonna put this at half a package of cream cheese, 4 ounces. So I've got the cream cheese in there, and to this, obviously, I'm gonna add my hot sauce. Now, these are the ones that I like to use. I like to use the Frank's Red Hot buffalo sauce for wings. I love to use the Sweet Baby Ray's hot sauce as well, and then I also love to use the Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo wing sauce. So I'm gonna put my own mixture of these in there. You can do this however you want. You can use 1 sauce, you can use 5 sauces, but you just need some sauce. So I'm probably using 1/4 of a cup of buffalo sauce for each sauce. So that's a half a cup of buffalo sauce so far. And I'm gonna add a few dashes of the hot sauce to make it a little bit spicier. Okay, so now that I've got the chicken, the cream cheese, and the sauces, I'm gonna take some Mexican blend cheese. You can use cheddar cheese if you like, or I mean, mozzarella cheese would be good with this too. But I like to use this Mexican blend. So I'm gonna take some of this and I'm just gonna sprinkle it on top. And I'm probably taking about 1/4 of a cup of this as well. But like I said, you would go ahead and either double this recipe or triple it or quadruple it, depending on the size of your crowd. So I put a little bit of cheese on it. And then I'm gonna sprinkle this with some ranch. Any ranch you like. You can use that Olive Garden ranch. You can use this Kraft ranch, whatever ranch you prefer. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more cheese on top. Just a little sprinkle. And then I'm gonna put this in the oven on 375. For this small thing, I'm only gonna need maybe 15 to 20 minutes. I don't see the time changing that much if you have a larger dish, but if it does, you would just adjust, obviously, and I would leave it in for 5-minute increments until it got cooked to the level that you need it to be cooked. Now the chicken is already cooked, and cream cheese you can eat by itself, you can eat buffalo sauce by itself, so it's not like anything in here has to actually cook. You just want it in the oven so that all the flavors can melt together and so that the cheese can melt and it can be real delicious. So like I said, I'm probably only gonna keep this in the oven for maybe 15 to 20 minutes, and then it's gonna be done. It's a real simple recipe, but it's real good, you guys. Okay, so this is what we are looking out fresh out of the oven. It looks so good and bubbly and cheesy. Oh, it look good. So I did hit it with the broil for like a few seconds, maybe like 30-45 seconds on high, just to get, you know, that little crust from the cheese. So I did hit it with the broil for a little bit, but that's basically it for the buffalo chicken dip, you guys. That's how easy it is to make this. You can eat this with tortilla chips, which is how I typically eat it. You can make you some french fries and go ahead and put this on top of some fries if you want. You can eat it with Doritos. Like, the choice is yours, but the dip is delicious. You could throw a little refried beans underneath, right on top of the french fries, and then put this on top of the refried beans. You can really do it up. But that is the end of this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. I have decided to make my videos a little bit shorter, and instead of doing entire meals, instead I'm just doing pieces of meals, like I did fried chicken recently, and I'm doing this dip now. Instead of doing entire, like, what I'm making for dinner, I'm kind of just doing, you know, different recipes that I have for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you did and you found it helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're going to try this, let me know how yours turned out, and I will see you guys in the next one.